Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Kings, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $15 for you to start trading your forex account, and I'll be guiding you through how you can withdraw and the things you have to do in order for you to be able to withdraw freely. And I want you to know that this No Deposit Bonus is a very legit one. Alright, all you have to do is to make sure that you stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you are subscribed, and make sure that you turn on your notification button, because when next I drop a video on how to make money online in 2025 and a video about Profem accounts that you can get for free and No Deposit Bonus, you'll be the first person to get it. So right here on our screen we have the $15 that we are going to be claiming, and I will be showing you how you can get it. So this is it right here. As you can see, the status, this $15 is still very active. Right, it's still very active, and it's gonna end on the 26th, 12th, on the 35th of 31st. All right, so this is it right here. This is it. So as you can see, No Deposit Bonus credited into account. Who passes quiz and gets $15? You. So these are the informations that you are to know about it. These are the informations. As you can see, you can be able to get it. All right, and now let me talk about, before I talk about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw, let me just guide you through how to get this. All right, let me guide you through how to get this. All you have to do is to click on, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to my Telegram channel. So once you click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, a link will be pinned there. Just click on the link and you will be redirected back to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, the link to get this video, to get this free $15 will be available for you there. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to somewhere like this. All right, you'll be brought to somewhere like this. You'll be brought to somewhere like this. As you can see, pass the quiz and get $15 to your account, and as you can see, this is it right here. This is it right here. It is very legit. In fact, a lot of people who have done it in the past have been able to withdraw. Yeah, you can go and check my former post about it. A lot of people have been able to withdraw, right? So don't miss out on this opportunity. So once you get to this place, what is the next thing you have to do? I'm going to tell you what you have to do. Just stay patient with me. All right, so the first thing you have to do is for you to register an account with them. It's for you to register an account, and the reason why I'm not registering my account is because I have already done that when I was making the video in the previous days or previous month. Right, so once you register an account, make sure you verify your account information. Once you are done verifying your account information, the next thing that's going to happen is that the bonus will be credited automatically for the eligible client upon the company's direction. All right, this is it right here. The bonus will be credited automatically once you are done with these two steps above. So now, to be able to withdraw the money, here are the terms and conditions you have to obey. See, this is it down here. This is it. Only profit can be withdrawn as follow within 30 days. The bonus will be credited. So what you have to do, the first thing you have to do is to execute at least 20 trades, and you have to trade at least 4.5 lots. So once you are done applying these terms and conditions, you can be able to withdraw. Yes, you will see a space where you can be able to withdraw your money. Right, I want you to know that these are legit No Deposit bonuses. If you know that you want to learn how to make money in 2025 for free without you having to deposit, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to come back. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.